Okay. Now, who are the rulers? Who were the traders who came to India that we have studied in chapter number first? Yes. Who were
Yes.
the traders who came to India? Who were the traders who came to India? That was French, British, French, British, Dutch people, French people, British people, Dutch people, yes, and Denmark people, yes, they were the traders who came to India. Got no?
Yes.
Girls, why you are not speaking yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we have studied in first chapter. So first who came to India? First came Portuguese people. Yes. First who came to India? Portuguese people. In which AD? Who will tell me in which AD Portuguese people came? In which year Portuguese people came to India?
16.
1500. Yes. After with the permission of King Zamorian. Yes, Vasco da Gama took permission from King Zamorian and they have opened first trade center in Calicut. Got it? Then after Dutch and Denmark people came. Dutch and Denmark people came. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Then after came with that Holland people also came. Sorry, Denmark people came. Then after Britishers arrived with the permission of Queen Elizabeth, but Queen Elizabeth has not given the permission. Yes, no, French people, Portuguese people were not allowing. Yes, or as Portuguese people were not allowing. So, are you listening or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Portuguese
ma'am.
people were not allowing for the training. So, with the permission of Mughal Emperor Jahangir, they came to India. Yes, no. And they have
Yes.
opened trade center in Surat, first trade center in Surat. Yes. So this way, these traders people came. These traders were touring India after they became powerful and start ruling to India. Yes. But when French people came to India, yes, French East India Company came, yes, at that time, who was migrating? The Dutch people and British people. With them, French was trading. But three Mysore wars have happened. Yes, three Mysore wars have happened. Due to that, what happened? As three Mysore wars happened, what happened? French people lost his power and British people became powerful. Yes, and after trading for 100 years, uh, his Portuguese people have lived India. Yes, yes or
Yes, ma'am.
no? Okay. So who will read this introduction part?
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay. Now
Fatima Saransh.
one by one you will read one para. Sarani you read. Okay. After that other girls will read. Okay.
Okay. Chapter number 4. How the traders became rulers. The children were engrossed in reading the story of two cats and monkey during the recess. On reading this story, Jay and Mitali were making fun of each other. Their class teacher, who was sitting beside them, said, "Children, this too is a policy. The third party takes advantage of a
Wait.
quarrel between
The,
the two.
wait.
The
Wait, beta. The children were engrossed in reading the story of two cats and monkey. Means which story they were reading? Two cats and monkey. And during the recess. After this the story, Joy and Mitali were making fun of them. Yes. So what happened? Their class teacher who was sitting beside them. Children, this too is a policy. What's the policy? Who will tell? Who will tell what's policy? Anyone? Policy means not that they are don't make a fun of anyone. They are talking about story, yeah? So it's one type of policy, how you are ruling, how you are behaving. Okay, it's called policy over here. Got it? Next,
Yes.
next,
Ma'am, can I?
yes, the
The
third
third
party from
party
the
takes advantage of a conflict between the two. The British had expanded their empire in India with such a policy. Jay asked, Sir, how is that possible? The class teacher replied, Let us go to the class, and there I will explain about how the British came to India and established.
Okay. So can I speak now? Okay. So what happened? That what when two are doing talking, okay, third party is taking advantage, starting quarrel. No one likes it, no? You are liking that when you two friends are talking in the class, okay, and third is making fun of you. You will like it?
No.
You no. You will be irritated. What this all are doing? What's happening? Yes, but obvious, no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So so this way, when two parties, first who came, Portuguese people and they all came, they were ruling. Who came to India? Britishers came. Between two, took advantage? Britishers took advantage. So, this way, how Britishers came to India, this sir has explained it. Okay, start. Next, we will read Owen Fatima. Are you there, Owen Fatima?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, beta.
By the mid of 18th century, the British had started to emerge as a strong power on the Indian political horizon. Do you know the Indian political?
Beta, your voice has gone. Beta, your voice went away.
Ma'am, I think by mistaken she left.
Okay, Sarani, you read.
Okay. By the mid of 18th century, the British had started to emerge a strong power on the Indian politic horizon. Do you know that the British came to India only for trade? Initially, they took permission to trade in Indian states. Then, how did they become the rulers of entire India? The history of British rule across many such questions. To serve their economic interests, they increased their political hold on India with the use of British diplomatic tactics.
Okay. So you know that Britishers has took permission, okay, for trading, but their meaning was to trade only in India. Yes, because they started ruling in our India. Yes, by different policies, by taking taxes and that all things. Yes or no?
Yes.
So do you think that they have done good for us? Some way they have done good, and some way they have not done good. Yes or no? So next is Wellesley policy of expansion. So when you will in your first chapter it is there that different policies. First, who was the Governor General? No, it's not that. So when Wellesley became Governor General, after Battle of Plassey, after Battle of Buxar, who won? Who won Battle of Plassey? Britishers won. Battle of Buxar also Britishers won. This way they have started means ruling in India. Yes, yes. So as they started
Yes,
ruling in India, at that time, after that, they have started taking Diwani rights, means to collect revenue. What is they were collecting from? They were collecting from uh, the who those who were selling the goods. They have to pay to the king also, means Nawab also, and they also have to pay to Britishers. So this way, they were not having money. Yes, sir. So, Wellesley policy was started Who was the Governor General? When Wellesley became Governor General, the competition existed, yes, between England and France. But what happened? France was not powerful. Britishers became powerful. Okay, so Wellesley has introduced a plan which is known as subsidiary alliance. Wellesley policy is known as subsidiary alliance. Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
In this policy, what was that? As per the scheme, if any princely state will be accepting the alliance, had to keep and maintain the British army as well as keep a British representative in the royal court. Means if anything happens, our army should be present, and with them, British representative also has to be present in the royal court. Got it? So this way, the Britishers were collecting money from army also and the people also. So this states were not allowed to utilize the army at their own will. Means army is telling that in now in our state this way we will start we will be doing trading. Okay, but Britishers were not allowing army to do this. Okay, as this way the princely states were not allowed. Then this way they have started collecting the money from Britishers, from armies, and this way this subsidiary alliance has become slow poison. Means I tell you one example. If you want to eat something, okay, are you listening, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
understanding? Otherwise, I will repeat it again. You are understanding or not understanding?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
100%.
Yes.
Okay. So what happens? We will take an example. Why it becomes slow poison? If you are in your home, your cousins, brother and sisters, and your brother and sisters, you all are there. We take it 8 brothers and sisters with cousins you are telling me. Okay, or your mother and your aunt and they are giving you food to eat. Okay, but anyhow, sometimes you are elder, and so you always your mother tells that you are elder, beta. It's okay. So this way you will get slow poison. Yes. Then Mama is telling me only always. Why to 7 of them they are not telling? Okay. So this way, subsidiary alliance became a slow poison to the princely states. So Indian states became victim of the subsidiary. Who has collected Hyderabad, Mysore, Ayodhya, Jodhpur, Gaikwads of Barodara, Peshwas of Pune, Sindas of Gwalior. This way, this Nizam of Hyderabad was the first victim to collect this subsidiary alliance. Then it was Mysore and Ayodhya, then Tanjore. This way, they have given subsidiary alliances. If they don't want to accept it, no, then also they have to accept. But Marathas, when Marathas people don't want to accept this uh, policy, so they have fight against that. Then also Marathas has Nizam of Maratha lost. Who was lost? Tipu Sultan. Yes, at that time. Then also forcefully subsidiary alliance system also has to accept by Marathas. Yes. Then Then after that, divide and rule policy of British was started. Since they have started dividing other states like this, Ayodhya, Gorakhpur, Tanjore, Karnataka, Farukhabad also has suffered because they have forcefully told them to accept this policy. And this way, the rule became powerful in India. They started ruling over India. Clear? How they started ruling over India? Girls, girls,
yes,
understood? I think so that you are not understanding.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
You didn't understand. Others, I will repeat it. What happened? The question in introduction part we have read was that how British people became powerful, how they started ruling. Yes. So when Wellesley became Governor General in India, first Battle of Plassey occurred that you have studied in first year, the Battle of Plassey, Battle of Buxar. Yes, at that time our people has lost that battle, and the British won that battles. Yes, so Wellesley became Governor General. At that time, England and France both were in India. Both want to rule to India, but France has lost his power, and English people, that is British people, was more powerful. So at that time, France people left India and went away. Clear this much, Sakina Bhimani?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, forcefully, Wellesley has passed one policy that is known as Wellesley policy or subsidiary alliance system. Okay. In this system, princely state, when any meetings or anything will be done, army will be present in that meeting. With that, British representative will be also presented in the royal court. Got it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this way, our armies were losing too much of money. Okay. So subsidiary alliance system become slow poison to the princely states. So now what happens? Now forcefully subsidiary alliance system, princely states, we were having 562 princely states, yes. So this way forcefully Hyderabad, Mysore, Ayodhya, these places have to join. Means have to follow the subsidiary alliance system. Nizam of Hyderabad was the first, has accepted, then Tanjore and Karnataka, then Ayodhya, Mysore. Okay, but Marathas people has not accepted. They have fought for that, but our Nawab has lost. Nizam was lost. Okay, so now they started divide and rule policy. Which policy they have started? Divide and rule. Means the people, those who were united and living, they started dividing. Who? That is British people. And this way, Marathas also have to accept the subsidiary alliance system. So this way they have started ruling in India and they have become supreme power. Got it? By this company
Yes, ma'am.
rule. Now clear?
Yes.
Yes,
All the girls? Zainab
yes, ma'am.
Lakhani.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now who will read? Beta, clear no? Because this all these topics are
Yes,
repeated
ma'am.
in ninth standard. Okay, who will read? Who will read, beta?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes.
Wellesley's policy of expansion. When Wellesley come to India as the Governor General, cut, cutthroat competition exists between England and France. It was necessary to check France from being powerful in India so as it expand the British rule in India. Wellesley introduced a new plan which was known as a subsidiary alliance. As per this,
Okay, what was it known as? Wellesley policy was known as subsidiary alliance system. You understood the meaning of subsidiary alliance system? Yes?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, next.
As per the scheme, any
Scheme.
friend, any scheme, any princess, ma'am,
Yes?
what is it? Princely state
Have
said
accepted the alliance,
accepted the accept, expect,
accepted the alliance,
accept,
keep and maintain the British army,
accepted the alliance that had to keep to maintain the a British army as well as the British representative in the royal court. This way, the
so
British could
understood
maintain the
what this line is telling? That compulsory British army should also be presented in the royal court.
yes, ma'am.
Next, better.
This way, the British could maintain the army without spending any money. However, France's states were to not allowed to utilize the army at their own will. This system, which made many feel secure in the beginning, made them feel and
Enslaved.
threatened this enslaved and threatened the subsidiary alliance, acting like a slow poison for
So this way now
France.
forcefully you don't wait. You don't want to study and forcefully someone is telling that you have to study, and it becomes poison. No? That may person you will not like it. So this it becomes slow poison. Next, next, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Read
Subs- the Indian
the Indian
states
state.
the Indian states that became the victim of subsidiary alliance were Hyderabad, Mysore, Ayodhya,
Mysore.
Jodhpur, Mysore, Ayodhya, Jodhpur, Gak- Gakwads of Vadodara, Peshwas of Pune, Sindhyas of Gwalior. Nizam of Hyderabad was the first victim of Wesley's
So who was the
subsidiary
first victim of
alliance.
subsidiary alliance system? Who was the
Nizam of
first victim?
Hyderabad. Then, then it was Mysore and Ayodhya. Rajuri and Karnataka met the same fate, with the same fate, with the British made the Marathas fight among themselves and consequently made them accept the subsidiary alliance. Knowing the losses incurred by Nizam in his fight with Marathas,
So Marathas
he
were
was
not
the first.
accepting, but post wait. Marathas were not accepting this. That's why they started fighting. But then also Britishers won that. Next.
Ma'am, can I read?
Next. Yes.
Owing to the losses incurred by Nizam in his fight with Marathas, he was the first to accept this alliance. Tipu Sultan of Mysore refused to do so, but after the British victory in the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, Mysore was forced to become a subsidiary state. Maratha chiefs formed amongst themselves after the death of Nana Fadnavis. One by one, all the Maratha states became the victim of divide and
So
rule
what
policy of
happened?
British.
After three Mysore war happened, then again four Mysore war happened. Yes. Then also after the death, Maratha chief who died, that is Nana Fadnavis. Yes, he died. He became dead. Then after that, who started divide and rule policy? That is British people. Yes.
Yes.
Next, read beta.
The other states, namely Ayodhya, Gorakhpur, Thanjore, Karnataka, and Aurangabad, also suffered the same fate. In this way, within a span of 7 years, Wellesley expanded the
Expand.
company rule and made the
So
British the supreme power in India.
okay. So how many years? By 7 years, when Wellesley became the Governor General, Wellesley, with the span of 7 years, he had became supreme power. Who became supreme power? That is British, and expand the rule in India. Got it? And this way they started ruling in India. Clear? Clear, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
All the girls, no doubts. Fatima Zahra, any doubt, beta?
No, ma'am.
Aisha Sheikh,
No, ma'am.
Nayan Fatima,
No, ma'am.
Fatima Trawadi, Fiza Fatima Pimani,
No talking.
Conan Merchant, Conan Merchant, Mariam Bordiwala, Zainab Lakhani, Kabrani Sakina, Himani Sakina. Beta, any doubts related to this topic? Again, I will
No,
repeat.
ma'am.
100% sure. Kabrani Sakina.
Yes.
Now, today we will keep till here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
What are you called? What are you called?